Your question is with reference to the Constitution of India, consider the following statements. 1. No High Court shall have the jurisdiction to declare any central law to be constitutionally invalid. 2. An amendment to the Constitution of India cannot be called into question by the Supreme Court of India. Which of the following statements given above is correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Your question is by whom the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India can be enlarged. Your options are A. President of India, B. Parliament by passing a resolution, C. Parliament by making a law, or D. President in consultation with Chief Justice of India. Right answer is C. Parliament by making a law. Your question is under which article the President of India referred to the Supreme Court regarding the process of appointment and transfer of judges in the Supreme Court and High Courts. Your options are A. Article 127 subclause 1, B. Article 143 subclause 1, C. Article 143 subclause 11, or D. Article 144 subclause A. Right answer is B. Article 143 subclause 1. Your question is the guardianship of Indian Constitution is vested in. Your options are A. President, B. Lok Sabha, C. Supreme Court, or D. Council of Ministers. Right answer is C. Supreme Court. Your question is who is known as the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. The Parliament, B. The President, C. The Supreme Court, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. The Supreme Court. Your question is which of the following is the custodian of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. The President of India, B. The Prime Minister of India, C. The Lok Sabha Secretariat, or D. The Supreme Court of India. Right answer is D. The Supreme Court of India. Your question is the power to enlarge the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India with respect to any matter included in the Union list of legislative powers rests with. Your options are A. The President of India, B. The Chief Justice of India, C. The Parliament, or D. The Union Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs. Right answer is C. The Parliament. Your question is who has the right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court on any question of law? Your options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Any High Court, or D. All of the above. Right answer is B. President. Your question is who is the custodian of Indian Constitution? Your options are A. President, B. Parliament, C. Council of Ministers, or D. Supreme Court. Right answer is D. Supreme Court. Your question is who has the last authority to explain the Constitution? Your options are A. President, B. Attorney General of India, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, or D. Supreme Court. Right answer is D. Supreme Court.